Time now for your forewarned weather with Nate Larson.
All right, Nate, that fire not far from home here. You're keeping an eye on the smoke that is out
there
and about as well from that.
Yeah, folks in Idaho dealing with it, especially those that are upwind or downwind, I should say, of it. As the southwest flows in place across much of southern Idaho as well, it's mainly being pushed off towards the northeast. But there's the Hayden fire right there. At last check, it was about 15,000 acres burned. Smoke, a little bit of light smoke across the southeast corner of the state. There's a few fires even burning in Utah, but most of ours are small and really insignificant as far as our air quality. In fact, air quality is phenomenal right now across the entire state. We're good, if not green, in along much of the Wasatch Front. Even when we typically have ozone this time of year, things are looking pretty good. In fact, here's a look from Deer Valley, proof of the good air quality out there. Looks nice and crisp as you look across Jordanelle. Still dealing with a little bit of moisture, some of those mid-level clouds still hanging around, those cumulus clouds. Temperatures have been sizzling hot, though. In fact, waiting for our graphic to update, we've actually hit 101 in Salt Lake City, 96 in Provo, 100 Delta, 107 for the high in St. George so far, 103 Lake Powell. Everywhere you look, it's just been a sizzling hot day, typical of summertime, but we are above average in most locations by a good 5 to almost 10 degrees. St. George, wind speeds, 21 mile per hour winds. So with the hot temperatures and some of these breezy, if not blustery winds, there aren't red flag warnings issued there. But fire danger, of course, is going to be explosive. If there are fires that do start, they will spread very quickly with these winds out there. Anywhere from 13 mile per hour winds in Provo to just 6 now at the airport. They've died down a little bit. 16 mile per hour winds in Evanston, Rock Springs. Some stronger wind gusts as we've had some thunderstorms in southwest Wyoming as well. Satellite and radar showing we do still have some moisture out there. There's some showers and storms across mainly the eastern part of the state, but we've also had a little bit of moisture creeping over or working its way over some of Great Salt Lake, going to impact, at least with some gusty winds, some of the Wasatch Front throughout some of the evening, mainly just with some of those threatening clouds. So otherwise, weather headlines trending drier throughout the rest of the end of the week, into the weekend as well. Temperatures are going to stay toasty. Temperatures in triple-digit territory for us here along the Wasatch Front. Moisture increasing again across southern Utah. It looks like even late Saturday, but primarily Sunday for southern Utah. This is only Friday, so pretty quiet weather today, tomorrow. But by Saturday evening, we'll start to see some moisture increase, maybe an isolated storm over the higher elevations. And then on Sunday, better chances across southern Utah, with moisture then increasing even further northward across some areas of northern Utah by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, even Thursday. Could continue to see some isolated to scattered showers and storms. So best chance of scattered moisture will be on Wednesday across the Wasatch Front. Numerous showers and storms. Plan on flash flood potential increasing significantly across southern Utah if you're going to be recreating in that area next week. Hanksville 104 for Friday's high, 99 in Delta, 109 in St. George, 101 again for Salt Lake tomorrow, and 109 again for St. George, 109 on Saturday, 107 Sunday. Slight chance of moisture on Sunday. Monday through Thursday, we're going to throw in isolated thunderstorms, slightly cooler temperatures. 96 will be the coolest on Wednesday. Still hot, but certainly going to feel better than 109. We've got slight chance of moisture Thursday, but otherwise drier conditions trending towards the end of next week and next weekend. The Wasatch Front, hot and dry conditions today or tomorrow and on Saturday. 102 on Saturday, should hit 102 on Sunday. Could be very close to record highs. Again, 107, the hottest temperature we've ever recorded here in Salt Lake. 98 on Monday. We dropped to 95 Tuesday, isolated storms. Scattered storms on Wednesday, 91. Low 90s Thursday. Should rebound quickly next weekend, but a lot of the moisture is going to hang around through much of next week. Glenn?